Oh yes, Bourbon Street. For this video, I obviously wasn't able to capture everything that I came across while checking out the nightlife in the French Quarter, but I'll show you what I was able to capture. It's a party here every night and every day of the week, people, so you better come with the energy to get out and have some fun. Now, this isn't meant to be the best vlog video ever. I'm not trying to win awards with this. I'm just uploading a quick video of what I was able to put together from my trip to Bourbon Street back in late September, so enjoy.
Currently walking on Bourbon Street, drinking on the street, but couldn't help but notice this. The Cat's Meow used to clown around with a friend of mine, and we would watch the Cat's Meow webcam. There it is. It's kind of funny. So we're waiting at this bar to go on this haunted history tour. It's not until 8. We got a few minutes, so we're just kind of chilling here and watching this football game.
I'll be y'all's tour guide. I'd like to welcome all of y'all to the Haunted History Ghost Tour. So,
thanks, Chase.
Of course, we are Haunted History, which of course means we talk.
So there's this fancy hotel right up ahead called the Monteleone. We're gonna see if we can get in. We're just gonna walk right in and see if they let us get in. Man, this place is fancy. It's the highest floor, 14th floor, I believe. It's the highest. There's the highest option in that elevator. Maybe there's another elevator that goes to a higher floor. Some tall buildings are like that. Holy cow. Look at this. Oh, I was hoping for a spectacular view, but
there's a tree down
not really. Let's see what's down this hallway. Exit. Those are rooms. What do you think? What do you think about this
I think
hotel?
that we're about to get thrown out because we're not guests.
We're not gonna get thrown out. Such an amateur. Another ice machine. She doesn't get it. You can just walk into these hotels, you know?
If you didn't catch that on camera, I just flipped you off.
Well, go take the stairs.
I'm
Right
not
there.
taking this.
Go take the stairs.
No.
Go take the stairs. Tell you what, being out there in the 95-degree weather and then being in here with the AC, it is so nice. So they have a 16th floor. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, look at this pool. No, it's not open. Well, oh, you need to. Well, can't really do much about that. Riverview room. This place is nice.
Yeah.
These gold elevators. Just such a nice vibe. All right, we're leaving. Got this plaque here, this historical plaque. Well, next is just gonna be a night of drinking out here, because that's what New Orleans is all about. And that's the hotel we were just in.
next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Don't trip, I got enough of dick for holding out. They say that I'm a dog, right after I knock 'em off.
Now, what you couldn't see from that was that they had first put the snake around my wife's neck and then demanded $20 for the thrill, but we didn't even ask for that, and that's just what you have to expect whenever you come to Bourbon Street. It was broad daylight one day, and I was walking down Bourbon Street, and we saw two guys that were getting in everyone's faces up ahead. Well, when we got closer, they got into my face, and they said, or let me guess where you got them shoes, and that's a common scam that people try to pull here. Well, I didn't answer the question. I actually stuck my arm out like I was stiff-arming them, like I was Marshawn Lynch or something, and they were just shouting threats at me as I continued to walk away, and you just have to ignore it. And I also got offered crack twice. I don't know if I look like I'm a crackhead, I guess. Maybe I do. Maybe I do look like a crackhead, but I got offered crack twice, and I had to say no like 3 times to both of the people that were trying to offer me crack. So you gotta expect that when you come to Bourbon Street, and it's definitely annoying. It definitely is a negative to the experience, but once again, prepare for it if you're coming down, because it's gonna happen.
Surprised nobody tried to shove drinks down our face like last time, but there you go, Bourbon Street on a Thursday night. So I'm walking to a spot to go fly my drone, and I'm walking across Bourbon Street. It's early on Saturday morning, and you can just see a bunch of trash everywhere.
Are you showing your people Bourbon Street? You should have showed them before the street got dirty.
I did. I was out. I've been here all week.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they know it. Well,
Yeah.
What are you recording now?
I'm showing what the street looks like after a
Oh
party.
no, it usually looks worse than this.
Oh yeah? Really?
You're not going to the airport, right?
Yeah, well we're driving.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. You be safe and God bless.
All right, thank you. This time of the day is so underrated. Look at this sunrise. Here we are walking on Jackson Square. So we found a place to eat. It's Curio, somewhere on Royal Street. Curio, pretty nice place.
And that's all she wrote for this one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace!